Hello everybody. So in today's video, oh my god, I've been waiting to film this video for quite some time right now, because I was waiting for this for maybe either a month and a half or 2 months. There it is. This is what I consider my dream bag from Louis Vuitton. And now this was a gift from my husband for Christmas, but I got here, I want to say last Sunday, so today it's been a week and I just getting to her today, but I'm so excited. This is, I'm so excited, I can't wait. So this is the box. I already removed my address and all of that, and it's closed. So let's see. Can you guys see? Yes, it's a Louis Vuitton. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's like that. Okay. Look at her. I'm so excited. So here is the receipt. It's so pretty. They sent me this little card just in case, it was a gift or something. So let's open her up. That's how it looks like. And it smells like new. Okay, so oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's put it right here. Right there. Okay. This is the World Tour Alma Bibi. You guys ready? So it comes like that with a dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton. I thought it was gonna be bigger for whatever reason. Okay. This is she. What do you guys think? Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the and mine decided to put my initials on this side. She had the black handles. That's how it look. And this one was made in France. Can you guys see? France. I love the canvas with the black. And then this bag is so carefree because you don't have to worry about, the vachetta and getting wet or anything like that. It has the 2 zippers. opens like so. And the interior that I picked was the red interior. Right there. This is to put the, I guess the key and the lock, if that's what I want to do. This is what it says. It's now yours. Yes. Put this right here. This is the what's this called? But I can't remember. But it's like that. Let's put it on. And this one have one pocket right there. It has feet on the bottom. And here is the code number and all of that. Let's close it. She smells delicious. And then here it has the key right there. I think they put this backwards. Let's take this off. And then you can put it right here. This bag, I wanted this bag for so long. So when my husband is like, well, I'll get it for you for Christmas, I was like, really? Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. Beautiful. Very, very pretty. And this one, you know, because they allow you to pick the colors. They had this one too with the bachera, that I didn't want the bachera. I don't want to really have to be worried about it. That's how it look with the belt. What do you guys think? She is gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You can wear it like this. Like this. It's so pretty. What do you guys think about the combination? Will you do it like this with the black, or would you still pick the bachera? What do you guys say? This one has the little lock, and the hardware is gold. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Ah! I cannot wait to wear this out and about, and not having to be worried about, oh my god, it's gonna get wet or anything, because this can get wet. Yes, it can. And it's gorgeous, and it's made in France. Let me see where it's from. It's made, yeah, it's made in France, you guys. I love it. Oh, let's put it right there. And this is my first piece that I have from Louis Vuitton, that is world tour. And I want to also get, what is it called? I think it's the pochette métis that comes with a black handle and the red interior, because again, I just don't want to have to worry about the bachera. But you guys, that was it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas, because this was my Christmas gift from my husband, and I just wanted to share with you guys and show it to you. She is gorgeous. I love her, and I can't wait to wear her out. I love it. Bye bye.